In this lesson, we're going to look at the default constructor. Now, all classes have a constructor regardless of whether it was defined or not. This is because all classes are a subclass of the object class, and thus they inherit everything from the object class, including the constructor, which is a no-argument constructor. So if no constructor is defined in this case, an object can still be constructed. So my class is default constructor. Notice I did not put any constructor in here, but inside my main, I can construct an object of the default constructor class. Look, it works. No errors. Now, let's continue the thought from this. If we create constructors in the class, the default constructor is not used. So create some fields. I got a couple constructors that assign values to those fields. Now note here, I only assign a value to x. Even though I didn't assign a value to y, it's initialized to its data type's default value, which in this case is 0. And I create a method, print fields, and I construct them. Now note, I didn't make a no argument. There's no argument constructor. So if I try to do that here, notice it's got no arguments, no parameters, it gives me an error. So the default constructor only works if you didn't actually put any constructors. If you put any constructors, it doesn't work. So we can compile this, run this. These will print off the fields. And there you can see it's working. So again, if you don't make any constructors, it uses the default constructor. But when you make any constructors, it does not use it. And that's the end of this lesson.